Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Jazana Mesya Putri. NIM 64242134 from class 64 1B for Management Study Program. Cigarettes are a familiar object in Indonesia. Smoking has also become a common habit for some people, especially men. Even talk about the dangers of smoking have been conveyed by various parties. The number of people who become active smokers has not decreased. What's more ironic is that most of the people who smoke are people from lower to middle income levels, teenagers who don't have a permanent life, and even intellectuals such as students. In fact, there are still many students who are active smokers due to a lack of awareness of health, the environment, and the negative impact of smoking behavior. Smoking on campus can have a negative impact on health and the environment, as well as disrupt learning achievement. Impact on health: cigarette smoke can damage the lungs and cause inflammation, bronchitis, and pneumonia. The income in cigarettes can also affect brain function, including memory, concentration, and cognitive abilities. Impact on the environment: smoking can produce air pollution, waste, and contribute to climate change. Cigarette butts can pollute marine ecosystem. Impact on learning achievement: smoking can interfere with cognitive function, making it difficult for students to focus on studying. The first effect of smoking that damage the body's organ due to cigarette smoke is the lungs. Cigarette smoke is inhaled and enters the lungs, causing the lungs to experience inflammation, bronchitis, pneumonia. Suggestion: students should not try to consume cigarettes even if many of their peers smoke, because once you try it, it will be very difficult to stop smoking, because cigarettes contain chemicals that cause addiction, and cigarettes themselves have many negative impacts, both in terms of the content of cigarettes, which contain many toxins which can cause individuals to get sick, and also from a financial perspective. By smoking, individual will automatically spend more money, even though At this time, students have not yet made their own money. Smoking behavior is very detrimental, both to oneself and the surrounding environment, including students. Student smoking behavior can be caused by the influence of peers or the social environment. This smoking behavior can result in decreased motivation, ability to concentrate, and memory. How to avoid smoking? First, avoid gathering with friends who smoke. 2. Rest assured that cigarettes are not the only means of socializing. 3. Look for more information about the dangers of smoking. 4. Avoid anything related to smoking, sponsorship, advertising, free cigarettes. 5. Always think that smoking will become a disease, then you will avoid disease. 6. Do other positive things such as exercise, reading, and other healthy things. Cigarettes butts contain harmful chemicals that can pollute the soil and water. Cigarette butts can start fires, especially in dry conditions. Campuses are often seen as places of learning and growth. Smoking can give a negative impression and make the campus look less appealing. People who are health conscious may be less likely to cause a campus that allows smoking. Conclusion. Overall, smoking on campus poses health risks not only for smokers but also for those around them. Smoke-free policies are essential in promoting a healthier environment for all students and staff. Avoiding smoking can lead to better health outcomes and a more positive campus atmosphere. We apologize if there are errors or omissions in the words explained. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Jasena Misha Putri, NIM 64242134 from class 64 1B4 Management Study Program. I would like to explain about simple present tense. What is simple present tense? Simple present tense is a tense that is used to talk about something general, something that always happens repeatedly, or a general truth. Simple present tense is the tense most often used every day. Characteristic. The characteristic of sentences that use the simple present tense are marked with words, including always, at time, forever, now and then, sometimes, usually, all the time, and others. Function of simple present. 1. General truth, which is a fact or statement that is always true. Example, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Next, nominal simple present tense. Nominal sentences or nonverbal are sentences that do not use verb, usually using to be. The following is a simple present tense formula that you can see. Positive, subject plus to be plus complement. Negative, subject plus to be plus not plus complement. Question, to be plus subject plus complement. Example, positive. I am an international school student. Negative, she is not international school student. Question, is she an international school student? Next. Subject, predikat, complement. Subject, I, predikat or to be am, complement, noun. Subject, you, they, we, plural subject, predikat or to be are, complement, adjective. Subject, he, she, it, singular subject, predikat or to be is, complement, adverb. Verbal simple present tense. Verbal sentences are sentences that use verb. The formula positive, negative, question from simple present tense to verbal pattern is positive, subject plus verb 1 or SES plus complement. Negative, subject plus do or does not plus verb 1 plus complement. Question, do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus complement question. Example positive. We have a meeting now. Negative, we don't have a meeting now. Question, do we have a meeting now? In verbal sentences, you don't need to add to be after the subject because the task as the predicate is the verb. The verb in this tense, this tenses is the basic form, meaning that is, has, had. Subject, predikat, complement. Subject, I, you, we, plural subject, predikat, verb 1, complement, noun, adjective. Subject, he, she, it, singular subject, predikat, verb 1, SES. Complement, adverb. So if you make sentences with a third person pronoun as the subject, he, she, it, singular subject, There are several verbs that must add ces at the end. Next to habitual activities or permanent situation are activities that show a habit or situation that does not change, occurs repeatedly. Example, she takes a bath twice a day. Next, 3. Job or occupation is to describe a person's job or profession because work include repetitive or regular action. Example, I work in a library. I am a librarian. 4. Planet event. To express a fixed arrangement in the present or future. Example, your exam start at 7 5 to 5 to express feeling, senses, thought, or opinion can be used to express opinions and feelings. Example, I like spicy food. 6. Command and instruction are invitations, prohibitions, and command that use imperative sentences. Example, close the door, be careful, you walk for 300 meters. Then you turn left. Formula positif, subject plus verb 1 SES plus object. Negatif, subject plus do not or does not plus verb 1 plus object. Interrogative, do not or does not plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. Positive. Example, you play gadget. Subject IUVD, no SES. Next, she plays gadget. Subject she, he, it, yes, SES. Negative example, you don't love me. IUVD, do not, don't. She doesn't love me. She, it, does not, doesn't. Interrogative. Interrogative sentences whose component consists of 5 we plus 1 her elements what, when, who, why, where, and how. Generally, interrogative sentences function as asking for answer about something from a listener or reader. Interrogative example, do you know him? Negative, don't you believe me? Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.